Hi, I'm Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions. This interview was recorded in 2021 at a past Photo Managers Conference. Although the year may have passed, the insights shared remain valuable to anyone interested in preserving photo legacies. Enjoy. Hey, it's Philip Griffith of PSG Photo Solutions here again, and today I'm with Jodi Bondy of Hoosier Photo Organizer. And you're in Indiana, but where in Indiana?
So I'm west of Indianapolis, about by the crow flies 30 miles.
Okay. And so what projects have you been doing with your clients, or what have you learned this past year?
So I guess one of the things I learned is prior to the pandemic, I always said, maybe 4 projects in the office at a time because I didn't want to get overwhelmed. And just before shutdown happened in Indiana, I had 7 projects in the house. And I'm like, but I got them done. So I was able to multitask. Nobody was in a hurry. That's been a nice thing, is not having deadlines to meet. And so I was able to work on those 7. And as I was finishing up and returning, something else always came in. And that has been one of the godsends for my business. It seems like is every time I'm ready to close a book, and it's like, what am I going to do next? Something else pops up. And so I've had flow throughout the entire time. I'm starting to get some new clients that have actually found me through the photo managers. And all the projects have been very different, but I've got some long-term people now too. I've always had a lot of the one and dones. And this year I've finally started to get some long-term clients that I'm working with.
So do you think that the pandemic, with everyone at home, having more time at home, actually has driven people to start working with their photos and therefore want to reach out for help?
That might be part of it. I think part of it also is seeing the loss, seeing people losing, and they're like, what happens if? And so, I know we have been very fortunate that we did not lose anybody close. I do know people who have lost people, and people within my bigger circle that we've lost, but just taking that moment and going, if we don't do this now, we may never get a chance to do this. And so I think that's the thing that has really maybe prompted people is they don't want to lose those things.
Yeah, and that's one of the reasons that I say you got to use your pictures to tell your stories, because if you don't, future generations won't know anything about you.
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. So,
well, thank you so much.
You are so very welcome, and thank you for giving me the opportunity.
Oh, you're welcome, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time.